In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VR to PC with a link cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use your MetaQuest headset using a cable to play VR games directly from your PC. Keep in mind that you can most likely follow the same general instructions with other gaming VR headsets, but for this video, I'm focusing on the MetaQuest line specifically. If you have a different model that you want specific instructions from, then sadly I won't be able to cover it here. You will need a USB cable. Meta provides the official link cable, but it can be quite expensive and hard to find. So as long as you have a high quality USB 3.2 cable, it should work. So you plug one end of the cable into the headset and the other end goes into your PC or laptop. It is also recommended to download the MetaQuest Link application. This app will allow you to update all of the necessary drivers and set up your headset and the controllers. So download MetaQuest Link for free. Once you download this app and you have the headset connected and powered on, you should enable Oculus Link. So a prompt will appear mentioning Oculus or Quest Link. Make sure that it is enabled. You can also go into the quick settings and find it here. If it doesn't work or you want to ensure that the connection was established, go over to Devices and check here. If it is still missing inside of the Link app, choose the option to add a new headset and follow the instructions. So select your specific model of Quest headset, choose a link cable, and proceed with the instructions that I mentioned earlier. Once the status shows this check mark, it means that you are good to go and the headset has been connected. You can download something like Steam VR if you want to play a game from your Steam library in virtual reality, or you can use the headset connected to your PC in virtual desktop mode. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.